How to change Discord password if you forgot it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Discord password if you have forgotten it. So without further ado, let's get started. So open your Discord app on your device and tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, simply tap on settings. And in the settings section, you can see the option labeled account. Simply tap on that and this will take you to the page where you can change your password. However, you will need your current password to make changes here. So if you have forgotten it, here is what to do next. Close the app and open your browser. And once you have opened the browser, simply go to the discord.com. Once you are there, simply enter your email for Discord account. And once you're done with that, simply tap on forget your password. And now Discord will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Simply close the Chrome and open the email. And from there, simply click on reset password and you will be taken to the page where you can set a new password. You simply have to enter a new password, and once you're done with that, simply confirm it and tap on change password. And that's it. Your password will be successfully updated after that. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.